Welcome to another episode of E-Training Guides. Today we're going to be talking about SCCM 2309 upgrade and some of the prerequisites that are required and some of the new features. So with the prerequisites for the 2309, you need to be at least SCCM 1910. You need to have at least the 80K 2004 or the 80K Windows 11 22H2, depending on the operating system you're supporting. You'll need to have the ODBC 18.1.0 driver or later installed on your primary site system servers, and then also SQL 2016 or greater. I know some of the articles talked about 2017 or later, but I have 2016 and it's going to install on that. So with that, let's get started. So I've already ran a prerequisite check here, and as you can see, there's a warning here, and I'll just explain that to you in a moment. The warning talks about this co-management slider. Basically, it's just reminding you that the VPN, Wi-Fi, and your Windows Hello Business profiles are no longer supported. So it's just giving you a warning. You can still do the upgrade. I have all my sliders set to pilot, and what you want to do is, if you don't want to see the error message, you go to properties, and you can see workloads are all set to pilot. I have all my Windows 10 to pilot. Now, if you already have all of these all the way to the right, that's fine. It's not a big deal if I leave that. That's what I'm going to leave for now. There's no reason for me to change it. It's just giving you a warning. So if I go back to the status here, so that's basically everything else is good. Now, when you don't have the ODBC driver installed, you will get an error here saying that you need to install that, and you need to install that on all your site system servers, like your SCCM, your WSUS, management point, distribution point, that kind of stuff. So that's that. So that's already done. I think I might have, okay, so yeah, so it's passed with warnings. So now I'm going to go ahead, and since I passed, I'm going to go ahead and install the updates or the upgrade. You can select some additional components here, or you can do them later. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit next. Update without validating. I'm going to do that, and then in enterprise environment I would be doing this second option, but it's a small lab. So I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. Expiration date 2022. Give it a little bit more time. Okay. And then next. Okay, so it's going to do start installing. Now again, it's going to rerun the prerequisite check, so that's what it's doing right now. Obviously, we know it's going to pass because alright, so it's going to do, okay, so it's going to do its thing, and we'll give it some time to run through the installation process. Hello, so I wanted to review some of the new features in the 2309 options to schedule scripts execution time. You can also do an OSD preferred MP option for Pixie boot. Enable BitLocker through your provision task sequence. Windows 11 Edition upgrade readiness dashboard, and I'll show you that at the end. And CMG creation using third-party app using the console PowerShell. So those are some of the highlights of 2309. We are still waiting for the installation to complete. I did get an error. It was pending a reboot, so I just had to reboot, so I'm restarting it again. So let that run. Alright, the installation is complete. Let's take a look. Install. So now we're going to update the console. Install the new console version. So we're just going to go ahead and install that. Next, we will update the boot images. Alright, so the console has been updated. Let's take a look. We are now at 2309, as you can see. So that's good. We don't do this. All we have to do is do update distribution points. Let's see. We don't need to load the image because we did that before. So while that's going, we're going to check one more thing. And hierarchy settings. Client upgrade. Okay, so alright, so the new version of the client will be 9122. I can go over here. Let's check out the site status. Everything looks good there. Everything looks good there. And we're going to do client status. Oops. Okay, so we have, there it is. Oh, there we go. That's been distributed, 922. So we have one that's already compliant, 4 more to go. And boot. Alright, so that's good. That's today's date. Yep, everything is done. And you've successfully upgraded the your SCCM to 2309. And that's basically it. I'm just curious. Let's see about one thing here. I don't see what I'm looking for. Let me go over here. Ah, here it is. And there it is. The upgrade, 11 upgrade readiness. Alright. And it tells you the specifications and cannot upgrade. Why can we not upgrade? We'll have to see why. Okay. Ah, the CP. Okay, yep. I don't have that enabled in TPM and the unsecure boot. No, I need to do that. So that makes sense. Alright, cool. That's really cool. Anyways, that's all I have. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll put the links in the description in the comment section in regards to the requirements for SCCM and some of the new features for the 2309. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.